What's the meaning of beeline? Beeline. Beeline.
Beeline. Beeline. The word beeline refers to the shortest possible path between 2 points, just as a bee might take when flying from its hive to a nearby flower. It is often used metaphorically to describe a direct and purposeful approach to a task or goal. Making a beeline for something implies a sense of urgency and determination, as if one is following an invisible straight line towards their objective. The term has been in use since the mid-19th century, and is believed to have originated from the behavior of bees, which are known for their highly efficient navigation skills.